Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, just hold it and drag it here. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just click here once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Then just tap here to OK to the home button, and now we can see here that we just successfully renamed our home screen folder. If you want to move this folder on the screen here, just hold it and drag it. By this way, or also to move the folders between the screen, just by the same way, hold and drag it. If you want to create a new screen, just hold and drag it to the right side to create the new screen here. If you want to remove the application from the folder, just hold it and drag it here to this home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this application here in the apps menu. If you want to remove all of the applications in one time from the folder, just hold the folder and drag it here also to the remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.